Let's look at the new on-demand split feature in Recording Server 2.5. To demonstrate this, we will go ahead and record a Java application. In this case, the application is Eclipse itself. So to record Eclipse, we'll go ahead and press this blue Start Recording button. Now, if you already used Recording Server before, then you know that pressing this button causes Chronon to instrument all the classes that have already been loaded into memory. And this can take a few minutes depending on how many classes have been loaded till now. The point of this demo is to show that starting from version 2.5, you only need to go through this instrumentation process just once throughout the entire duration of your program. So your program cannot be running for an entire day or weeks or months, but you only need to sit through this instrumentation process once, and that's it. So now that the instrumentation is done, we see that we have this new button here. We have the existing red colored stop recording button, which you may recognize from the previous version of Recording Server, but we have this new button which is called Split Recording. And this is what we will use for doing on-demand splits. Now let's consider this use case. Say I'm testing my Java application, Eclipse in this case, and while testing I run into a bug. Now I want to take a recording of that bug and pass it to my developers. In previous versions of Eclipse, to get this recording containing the bug, I would have to click the stop recording button, and this would result in a few minutes of de-instrumenting all the classes, and then the recording would be available for download, but we would then have to go ahead again and start the recording, which would result in another lengthy instrumentation process of those same classes over again. And this would result in a very frustrating experience. Alternatively, I could have just gone and waited for the automatic split interval to take place. However, it could be that in this case, the automatic split would take 1 hour, so I would have to wait 1 hour for the recording to be actually available to me. So with the new on-demand split feature, we don't have to worry about either of these issues. If I encounter a bug, I can just go ahead and click the split recording button, and almost instantaneously a new recording is created, as you can see here. Creating the recording is almost instantaneous, or it can take just a few seconds, because all that happens during a split is that any recording data that is still in memory and that has not been persisted to disk is persisted to disk. There's no lengthy instrumentation or de-instrumentation of classes. So that's the new on-demand split feature of Recording Server 2.5. Enjoy.